Hey guys, welcome back to lesson 4, part 2 of our level designer series. Last time we left off and I had just ran and tested my code out here. And so you can see that that value in the top left-hand corner there is increasing as I collect my presents. So that way we can see how many presents are being collected. Now, one more thing that you will likely want to do is if we go over here to numbers and text, we can add, or the technical terminology is called concatenation. But all it really is it's a fancy term that means we glue or put together two pieces of string or text together. And so just to make it a little bit more descriptive, what we might want to say is presents. Okay, and this just helps us indicate, oh, okay, what does this number actually mean? Is this the health of my character? Is this the number of seconds I have until the game ends? Okay, or is this how many items my character is collecting? So it's always a good idea to identify whatever number that you're showing on the screen. What does that number actually mean? And there's also one more thing that we could do. Just wait for this to load up. Okay, so it says presents 0. Okay, and as you collect it, okay, that number increases as we would expect it to. Okay. Now you could chain this together, and you can add in as many as you want. So I'm just going to put that into the first one. And so how many presents do I have on my screen here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm going to do /8 here, and I'm going to throw that all into here. And if we tested our game, now I know this looks a little bit pixelated. It's not the most beautiful thing in the world, but if you want, you can, well, it'll be a lot of work to use your own font and your own text to make this look pretty. You could actually just show one of these items up here. So you say presents, 0 out of 8. Actually, I might actually do that. Okay, so 2 out of 8, 3 out of 8. Okay, and then when you collect them all, you can maybe make your game end or go to the next scene. Okay, actually, let's maybe just clean that up. So I'm gonna, let's see here. I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna use this. So I'm just say presents /out of 8. I'm gonna move the X coordinate over a little bit, and I'm gonna try to put one of these presents up here. Okay, let's test that and see where it goes. Okay, so you can do this pictorially if you like. If you do it pictorially, though, you might want to maybe give this a slightly different color, or maybe make this size a little bit smaller so that when you collect it, people won't get confused that, oh, okay, I need to jump up there and collect that present. Okay, but hopefully they will be smart enough, but we might just want to do a brief visual reference so that this item might be, just a little bit smaller than these guys, or we use a slightly different color palette to indicate that. Okay, that's it for lesson 4. We'll see you guys back in lesson 5, where we can look at how to maybe switch to a different screen after you've collected all your items.